Hey everyone, in this video we are going to build a fun and fast-paced keyboard speed test game using Python. No fancy libraries, just pure beginner-friendly coding. You will learn how to generate random words, track typing speed, measure accuracy, and even calculate your words per minute. Whether you are just getting started with Python or looking for a cool mini project, this one's perfect for you. So fire up your editor and let's code something awesome together. So let's get started. What should we do? In order to make random choices, we will use random library and pull the word from the list. Show it to the user. The user will type it, and if the user types it correctly, the score will be incremented by 1. Else, it will just count it as a typed word. And after that, we will calculate words per minute and accuracy. You don't need to install any external libraries. So let's import time. The time is used to measure how long the user is typing, and import random to make a random choice from the list. So let's define our list. Let's say word list. Words equals type anything you want. I will start by Python and developer. Keyboard, speed, script, function, variable, loop, output, random. So these are enough for me. You can add as many as you want. So let's define our welcome function. Our welcome function will print message to user and prompt the user to press enter if he or she is ready. So let's define welcome and print some message. First print welcome to the typing test, print type the words as fast as you can, and you have 60 seconds. Press enter to start. So it will be our first function to fire up, and it will wait user to press enter. After that, we will call another function which keeps our main logic of the game. Print welcome message main game logic. Def start underscore game. As the game initialized, we should start everything from zero, including score, type verse, etc. So I will just type score equals 0 and total words equals 0. So user not typed any words yet and his or her score is 0. Now we should define time. Time should be assigned to current time, so we can use time library. Let's type start underscore time equals time dot time. So time is current time and end time equals start time plus 60. So it's 60 seconds. As you can see, time returns the current time in seconds since the epoch. So it will add 60 seconds to it, and after the 60 seconds, the game will terminate. You can do that by using while loops. So while time.time less than end time, word equals we should choose it randomly. So random choice from where? From our list words. We will print a format string like this, curly braces word, and we will assign it to type using input function. We'll say type if time.time greater than or equal to end time. So if we run out of time, we will break it. If user runs out of time during typing, we will also compute accuracy. So if type dot strip remove trailing and leading white spaces equals word print correct and score plus equals 1. Score is incremented by 1. Else print wrong. So total words plus equals 1, and we will return score total words. We will run it for 60 seconds. Random words will appear to the user. Finally, it will return score and total words. Now let's write a function to print all the stats and summary. So def summary takes score total words. So we will pass them to this print times up. After that, print typed. So a formatted string it will be score correct out of total words, and accuracy equals score divided by total words multiplied by 100 if total words greater than 0, else 0. After that, print accuracy dot 2f and percent. Print words per minute VPM is total words. So summary function provides all the stats to the user, and now we will define our main function. If you remember, we can define it like this: if name equals main, call main. So we will define our main function here, define main. Let's first call welcome. After user presses enter, as you can see, so make it input score total equals start game summary total, and let's take a look. There is nothing wrong here. Now let's fire up our game. So it says press enter to start. Let's type them script loop function speed script. This goes on. Okay, so words per minute is 43 and our accuracy is about 90%. And that's it. You just built your own keyboard speed typing game in Python. Whether you are using this to sharpen your coding skills or just to challenge your friends, it's a great way to practice loops, input handling, and timing in a real project. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more Python projects.